In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a job as an appointment setter in 2026, step by step. First, it's important to understand what an appointment setter actually does. In this role, your main responsibility is to reach out to potential customers, identify whether they're a good fit, follow up with interested leads, and schedule appointments for a salesperson or closer. You're not just booking calls, you're helping move people through the early part of the sales process. That's why the next thing you need to do is learn the basic sales process. Make sure you understand lead generation, prospecting, qualification, cold calling, objection handling, follow ups, appointment booking, and CRM management. Even if you're applying for an entry level role, knowing these terms will help you sound more prepared and professional. You'll also want to improve your communication skills, practice speaking clearly, confidently, and professionally. Just as important, work on active listening because the better you understand a prospect's needs, the easier it is to guide the conversation toward a booked appointment. A big part of the job is handling objections. So spend time practicing responses to common pushbacks like, I'm not interested, I'm busy, just send me an email, we already have a provider, or how much does it cost? The goal is not to argue, it's to respond calmly and keep the conversation moving. Next, get familiar with CRM software like HubSpot, Salesforce, Go High Level, or similar platforms. Appointment setters often use these tools to track calls, prospect details, follow ups, and appointment status. Along with that, practice using scheduling tools such as Google Calendar, Calendly, Zoom, and Microsoft Outlook. When you're ready to apply, create a professional resume that highlights transferable skills like customer service, communication, sales, social media, lead generation, administrative work, follow up, and CRM or data entry. And if you don't have direct appointment setting experience, don't panic. Many employers are open to entry-level candidates who show motivation, strong communication, and a willingness to learn. It also helps to create a short voice recording for remote applications. Keep it simple, introduce yourself, explain your relevant skills, and show that you can communicate clearly and professionally. Then practice a sample cold call script and record yourself doing a mock call so you can sound natural instead of overly scripted. To strengthen your application, build a small sales portfolio with a sample cold call script, objection handling examples, sample follow-up messages, a mock lead list, a CRM pipeline example, and a sample appointment booking workflow. When job hunting, search beyond just appointment setter. Also look for titles like Sales Development Representative, Business Development Representative, Lead Generation Specialist, Inside Sales Representative, Sales Support Representative, or Appointment Setter VA. Search for remote opportunities, apply to roles that match your strengths, and prioritize training-friendly or entry-level openings if you're new.